Welcome to Burke's channel.
So today in this video, we're gonna be taking pictures of objects and customizing them with my phone. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna click this ball right here. But which one? But we gotta scar it out. So the first one is shoes. That's gonna be good. So I think we're gonna make it like a big round and some big tracing. I'm gonna make it like a big thicker though. So we're gonna make it like thicker. Scratch that. We're gonna do this ankle. It's gonna be all you have to do this is basically I'm not telling you how to do my things. By the way, it says done and backwards and cancel on backward. That's so weird. This HD thing is actually good. I think it's fun, but we got if we make the pattern of green, we make maybe like a 90, maybe like an 81%. I guess that's good. Or maybe like that green. Yeah, I like that green. So yeah, we got basic that. It's basic now. Yeah. So we gotta color that part green, and green looks kind of weird on blue. Yeah, so we're gonna fix that later. So we're gonna fix that. So we're gonna edit it really good. So I honestly have never done this before. I came up when I just got home. I came up with the idea in the car. I was gonna do it, but I saved it for a video idea. So why not? So we got color in. I never done this before in my own entire life. If anyone done this, I would probably be surprised. Well, now how to do it, it's kind of easy. It's very easy to do this, actually. Maybe on mobile it's doing that. I'm using mobile. It's really easy to do it on mobile. I don't even think you can do it on PC. Put a line in. Yeah, we got mixed in with lime. How about this green mixed in with some lime? I'm gonna scratch that right off. How do I delete it? How do I delete it? Hold on, go back. Okay, so I don't know how to delete it. We need to use this lime color. We need to texture it kind of better. That's a good texture. It's gonna look Nike sick. And these are not gonna be Crocs anymore. They look kind of basic. I'll show you it at the end. It looks actually kind of good. That looks pretty good, not gonna lie. I guess that's fine. I mean, you can't really see it from the lot. I'll change that. Now make it so you can. I'll ask Mom to. Yes, the video. Now that looks good. It's actually kind of basic. It's like a basic. That's good. It's really bright on the screen. Let me turn the lowness down. It's kind of bright. Let me turn the lowness down. Okay, it's still very bright. See how good it looks though. This is my phone. This is it. This is it. So when I sit, you can see it when I do that. So it's good. It's actually not bad. Not bad, but I gotta add the laces. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the blueness. You gotta add that better. That's better. Oh, add that to the blue. Maybe it should be like sky blue. Do you think it should be cyan? I think it should be like a cyan green. Okay, so this is like a dark blue. makes it look like black, which is actually kind of cool, not gonna lie. It looks kind of modeled. It looks, when you do some shade jobs, that looks like I drawed it. It actually does. It looks like it's kind of basic, okay? So like editing files, that's actually kind of cool. I want to add some like cool pop-ups to it. Yeah. That's cool. This screen is fun. This screen is a little Funko. Scratch these wire. Gotta look like some like things. That looks a little good. It looks. Oh, what's up? Oh, those are my jeans. I'm wearing jeans right now. So look. I'm wearing jeans. Do you like my sick drippies? Do you like my drip? Let me know down below on the comments and if you want me to sell these shoes, and you can get this for merch, but they're not out yet. Okay, my merch is not out yet. It's not gonna be out for a video on time. I'll sell this as merch. Maybe I'll sell it as merch. So the original is the original. This is the original. So the original is kind of actually cool. The original is good, but I like the original. I think it's cool actually. The original is more better and more good. So why am I at? And at the end, when I'm done drawing them, we're gonna rate them as our favorites. Honestly, I don't know. It's actually honestly kind of basic. I'm not gonna lie. Some of the sponsors, it's actually kind of like basic. It's on all. It's actually kind of on the camera. Okay, so it's actually kind of cool. I mean, it's a little cool, but I guess maybe my favorite one. I mean, so I'm rated. I'm gonna give this like a 10. I guess I'm gonna give this. It's a 10 out of 10. Actually, no, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. That's kind of good. Okay, it's good. It's good. That's almost a 10 out of 10. Okay, so for the next one, it's actually going to be pretty awesome. It's my phone case. This is my phone case, guys. So it looks orange from this came. Want to see a magic trick? Look, it's turning orange. A yellowish orange. This one, whoa. I'm going to try it out. And add it like a pea. It's like a pea yellow. I just say pea yellow. I meant the food. Okay, I meant the food. I meant the food. Honestly, you think this one's one of my favorites. Like, look how... It's like a fried egg with some like berry. You think I'm really roasted? You know what? Do you think I should roast this? I don't know. I kind of want to roast it. I don't know. Do you think I should? I really want to roast it, so I'm gonna try it. Okay, yo, this kind of looks like a bro. This actually kind of looks like a berry with some like it actually looks like some dirt mixed in with an egg and some berries and like. Do you not think it looks like that? It kinda does. Okay, I roasted it. Okay. Bye, guys. Ooh ah ba boo ba boo. Ooh ah ba boo ba boo. Ooh ba ba boo ba boo. Ooh ba. Uh-oh.